Okay guys, making a video for a 2013 Cadillac ATS 2.5, specifically for this model. Now what I'm doing here is I'm doing a exhaust leak test with this smoke leak detector. I actually bought this from, what is it? I think it was TikTok where I got it, and it was 80 bucks. Comes with your power cord, your line, your fitting. It comes with this fitting here and also this one here. And the way I'm doing this exhaust leak is I was able to take off my cover, and then I took off this O2 sensor, so I would see the exact location where this exhaust leak is from. Now I hear it, that's coming out from this side. Honestly don't know it's from the intake manifold, or the manifold exhaust gasket, or the one right before the Cadillac converter, or the one after. So that's what I'm going to do now. And let me see if I can place this camera down here somewhere. I think that should be fine, just to point down, because it should be coming out from one of these gaskets. Now you could do this with any exhaust system. This became actually pretty useful. Before I did this exhaust leak, I did the one for the intake. I was able to use this, unbutton this up, loosen this up just to swivel this thing up, and then retying that, and then insert this, connect this in here, and it actually created some pressure where this actually popped off. So this is actually pretty strong, but I know I have an exhaust leak, but I wanted to do that on video just so you guys could see exactly how it works. I already put the oil. There's your on button here. What I'm gonna do is actually set this there, just like that. That's a small opening, but it should create enough pressure to get through the system and see where this exhaust leak is coming from. This is my other end, just like that. Let's see if it creates a smoke. There it is. So I'm going to insert this right here. Okay. I'm going to blow this stuff off, so it should clear up pretty quick. I'm trying to look for a leak over here. I don't see anything yet. Oh, there we go. There it is. Found the leak. Looks like it's coming from that gasket there, right after the catalytic converter. And it's just coming right up. So, just like that, I was able to identify the leak on this Cadillac 2.5. So I can get closer here. Yep, there's the exhaust leak. Just like that. That's how this works. And it works pretty well. I actually really do recommend that. Still see it smoking. So there it is. Cadillac 2.5. I already got my jack. Gonna lift it up. I already bought the gaskets. Like I said, I already bought the gaskets for the intake exhaust manifold and both of these fittings here. So this gasket here and the one right after the catalytic converter. So I'm going to change these out and hopefully fix my exhaust leak. If you have any questions, feel free, comment, and I'm pretty good about replying when I see the comments. and we'll go from there.